Good morning everyone. I suppose you have completed so far. Okay. What have we done? We have seen what is a sequence, AP, what is TN, and also how to find N, what are terms, all this we have seen. Okay. Now, I have a sequence or AP written on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 goes on till 100. I want you to find the sum of all the terms of this AP. Sum of means what? You have to add them. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus till 100 we have to add them. That is the sum. Suppose I asked you find sum of first 3 terms. Sum of first 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. So add these 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. If I ask you sum of first 10 terms. So you find out which is the first 10 and add them. I am asking you the sum of 100 terms. How to find out that? We have a formula. What is the formula? Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus bracket n minus 1 into d. I repeat, Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus bracket n minus 1 into d. Now this I can also write it as n upon 2 bracket, I have 2a. 2a means a plus a plus n minus 1 into d. Does anything come to your mind when you see this? A plus bracket n minus 1 into d. That is what your Tn was. So this formula can also be written as n upon 2 bracket, what is A? A is my T1 first term plus Tn, that is the last term. Okay. So there is two formulas for Sn. If the last term is given to you, then you can use this formula. If only the first term and the common difference given, then you have to use the first formula. So please take the last page of your notebook, add over there, and please say it in this manner because the brackets are very important. Okay. Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus bracket n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket t1 plus tn. Okay. Take practice set 3.3. Before we go for practice set, you have to practice all the solved examples given in the textbook. All the solved examples. So please go through it. If you have any difficulty, please clarify it. Okay. Practice set 3.3. The first term and common difference of an AP is 6 and 3 respectively. Find S27. So whatever is written over here, that is the n. So in this case, what is n? 27. We can fill it over there in that box. This kind of activity question can be asked in the exam. So you should know how to fill in. And the boxes also are important. Put it in the proper manner. Question number 2. Find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. Find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. What are even natural numbers? Sub 2, 4, 6, 8 goes on. Till how many terms you have to find out? 123. Okay. So you have to write first. The AP is 2, 4, 6, 8 dash dash dash. Okay. Then what is given to you? A is equal to 2. D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and N is equal to, what is your N? 123. What are you supposed to find out? Sum of. So Sn. Do you know N? No. So you write Sn as it is. Sn is equal to, what is the formula? N upon 2. Which formula will you use? Will you use this formula? Because you are not given the last term. It is not given to you. So you cannot use this. You have to use the first one. So n upon 2 bracket 2a plus bracket n minus 1 into d. Substitute the value. N is given to you 123 upon 2. Bracket 2 into, what is your A? 2 plus, you don't know n minus 1, so you write n minus 1 as it is. D is 2. How will you solve it? Sn is equal to 123 upon 2. Okay. N is given to you. What is your n over here? 123. So this will be 123. Okay. So what are you finding out over here? S123. This is what you are finding out. So S123 is equal to 123 upon 2 bracket 2 2s are 4 plus 123 minus 1, you will get 122 multiplied by 2. This has to be solved first. So you will get over there 123 upon 2 bracket 4 plus, that is equal to 123 upon 2. 4 into 2, 44 is equal to 248. These two get cancelled over here. 1, 4. Multiply by this and then you will get the answer. Please remember, as you look, you can see this 4 over here. These 2 will not get cancelled with this 4. Please remember, because very often what you do is you cancel like this. You cannot, because there is a bracket. That is why I told you, please put the brackets properly. This 2 is common for both. Means you have to minus this 2 in 4 and this in 4. This number. Therefore, you cannot cancel it like this. Very often this is a mistake that you do. You cannot cancel it. Okay. Multiply this and you will get, and then you have to write a concluding statement. Therefore, the 123rd even natural, no, sum of 123 even natural numbers is so and so. Okay. Let us see question number 3. Find the sum of all even numbers from 1 to 350. All the even numbers from 1. So which is the first even number? 2. So what will your AP be? First you have to write. Our AP is 2, 4 goes on till 350. So what is the last number? 348. Okay. What are we supposed to find out? The sum. Now, this is what is given to us. A is given, D, T2 minus T1, Tn is 348. Do you know N? N we do not know. First we have to find N. So to find N, we will use the formula Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Substitute the values, that is 348 is equal to 2 plus N minus 1 as it is into D is 2. 2 plus, open the bracket, 2n minus 2. That is, I kept 2n one side. Plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. So 2n is equal to 348. N is equal to 348 upon 2, that is 174. Now what is the question? Find the sum of these 174 numbers. So sum of 174 numbers is equal to, write the formula, n upon 2. Look at the AP, first term is given, last term is given. So which formula you can use? T1 plus Tn. Substitute the values and you will get the answer. Question number 4. In question number 4, in an AP, 19th term is 52 and 38th term is 128. T19 is 52. T19, what is the formula for T19? A plus N minus 1 into D. A plus N minus 1, 19 minus 1, that is 18, D is equal to 52. Which is the next one given to you? T38. T38 is 128. Now what is T38? A plus N minus 1. Now what is your N minus 1? 38 minus 1, 37D. So A plus 37D is equal to 128. What is asked to you? Find the sum of 56 terms. So you have to find S56. S56 is equal to What is the formula? N upon 2. N is 56. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 56 upon 2. 2a plus n minus 1. 56 minus 1 is 55d. Okay. Now, there are two ways you can solve it. Look at equation 1 and 2. You can subtract equation 1 from 2. Get the value of d. Substitute in this. Get the value of a. And then put it in this. Solve it. Otherwise, if you look at it, what do you have over here? 2a plus 55d. Look at this. A and a gives you 2a. 37 plus 18. 37 plus 18 gives you 55d. Okay. So, if you add equation 1 and 2. If you add equation 1 and 2. What do you get over here? What is the equation 1? That is a plus 18d is equal to 52 plus a plus 37d is equal to 128. Adding equation 1 and 2, you have 2a plus 55d is equal to 180. So 2a plus 55d is equal to 180. Substitute that over here, 180. You get cancel either with 56 or with 180 and you will get the answer. Okay. Let us see question number 6. Question number 5 is an activity that you can fill in over there. Complete the following activity to find the sum of natural numbers from 1 to 140. So they are given to you till 136. Okay. You can complete it. Question number 6. Sum of first 55 terms in an AP is 3300. Sum of first 55 terms. So what is given to you? S55. So S55 is equal to 3300. Now what is the formula for S55? S55 is n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 3300. What is 50? This 55 upon 2 is taken on the other side of the equation. So what remains over here? 2a plus n is how much? 55. So 54d is equal to 3300 into what is in the denominator comes in the numerator and numerator becomes denominator. That is 2a plus 54d is equal to, you multiply 2 with this and you will get 6600 upon 55. Can see that 11 goes in both. First you cancel with 11, then you cancel with 5, you will get 120. As you can see, you can divide throughout by 2. What do you get? A plus 27d is equal to 60. Now, we are stuck over here. What is the question? Find its 28th term. 28th term means T28. This is what is asked to you. T28. Now what is T28? A plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus. It is 28 minus 1 is 27. So A plus 27d. Now you have already got from here A plus 27d. How much it is? 60. So directly substitute over here. Put this as equation 1. And after this you write T28 is equal to 60 from equation 1. Now here you have to add. Write the formula properly. You have to add over there the formula. Okay. Then only you can complete it. The next question, question number 7. In an AP, sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27. Sum of 3 consecutive terms. Suppose our AP is starting from A. Which is the next term? A plus D. Next one, A plus 2D. Okay. Now, they have given you the terms. Which term to consider? Consider A minus D, A and A plus D. Sum of these terms is 27. Sum means add them. According to the given condition, A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 27. Minus D and plus D get cancelled. So what you have? A. That is 3A is equal to 27. A is equal to 9. What is the second condition? And the product is 504. Product means multiplication. So A minus D, A plus D is equal to 504. Take A first. A is how much? 9. Now what do you have over here? A plus D into A minus D. This is in the formula form of A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So you have A square minus D square. The 9 which is multiplied over here taken on the other side, which will become in the denominator. So A square minus D square, cancel it, you will get 56. What is your A? 9. So 9 square minus D square is equal to 56. Now this minus D square, bring it on the other side of the equation, become D square, and 56 take it to the other side. So 9 square is 81 minus 56 is equal to D square. Therefore D is equal to, you will get it as 25. So therefore D is equal to plus or minus 5. Now take note. You have D is equal to, I am writing it over here. Please take note of it. Okay. You have D is equal to plus or minus 5. What is your A? Your A is 9. Okay. Then you have to write, when A is equal to 9 and D is equal to plus 5, then the terms are, then you find out A minus D is what? A is what? A plus D is what? Okay, you will get 3 terms over here. Then next step, when A is equal to 9 and D is equal to minus 5, then the terms are, then you find A minus D, A plus D. This is important to find the terms separately for plus and minus values. Okay, because this carries mark. Let us look at question number 8. Find 4 consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is 12 and sum of third and fourth term is 14. Okay. We are given the terms A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. Sum means add all of them, 12. When you solve it, minus D and plus D get cancelled. What remains over there? A, 4 A's are there, plus 2D, that is equal to 12. That is 2 is common, so you cancel it. You have 2A plus D is equal to 6. Put as equation 1. Now, according to the second condition, what is the second condition? Third and fourth term sum is 14. What is the third? A plus D plus A plus 2D is equal to 14. What do you get over there? 2A plus 3D is equal to 14. This is a second equation. Okay, what are you supposed to do? You have to find the terms. Means you have to get the value of A and D. We have 2 equations which are linear equation in 2 variables. You know how to solve it. When you subtract equation 1 from 2, please write the statements required. Okay, subtracting equation 1 from 2. So 2 you have to write first, then 1. Change the signs throughout. You get 2D is equal to 8. Therefore D is equal to 8 upon 2, that is 4. Okay. Now substituting that value in equation 1, that 2A plus D is equal to 6. D is 4. So 2A is equal to 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. Therefore A is equal to 2 upon 2, that is 1. Now you have A is equal to 1, D is equal to 4. Therefore the terms are, find out, A minus D is what? A plus D is what? A plus 2D is what? You have to write the concluding statement. Okay, once you find out all this, write the concluding statement. Therefore, the terms of the given AP are, then you have to write it. Now the next question. If the 9th term of an AP is 0, so according to the given condition, T9 is equal to 0. Now what is T9? T9 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. N minus 1, what is your N? 9. So A plus 9 minus 1, that is 8D is equal to 0. Put as equation 1. Show that the 29th term is twice the 19th term. So let us look at what is 19th term. T19 is equal to A plus N minus 1. N minus 1 means 19 minus 1, so you get 18D. Now this 18D can be written as 8D plus 10D. Now what do I have for A plus 8D? 0 from 1. So what do I get over here? T9D is equal to 10D. What to write that from equation 1. Okay. Now T29. T29 is A plus 28D. This 28D can be written as A plus 8D plus 20D. And A plus 8D is 0 from equation 1. So what remains over here is T29 is 20D. Now this 20D can be written as 2 into 10D. 10D is what? T90. So T29 is twice T90. That is what is asked to you. Okay.